Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Mitcon's annual Cricket Championship. Before we dive into the excitement of today's matches, let's take a moment to acknowledge the dedicated individuals who have made this event possible. Good morning, cricket enthusiasts. The excitement is in the air as we kick off the much-awaited Mitcon Premier League 2025. From friendly rivalries to power-packed performances, this is where teamwork meets sportsmanship. Nestled in the heart of Pune, the Agriculture College ground is part of the historic College of Agriculture, established in 1908. This lush green expanse has witnessed numerous events, from academic pursuits to vibrant community gatherings. Today it serves as the perfect venue for our Office Cricket League's opening ceremony, blending the spirit of sportsmanship with a century-old legacy of education and culture. In the days leading up to today, our dedicated committee came together to meticulously prepare the field. From clearing debris and mowing the outfield to setting up the stumps, every effort was made to ensure optimal playing conditions. Their hard work reflects the collective spirit and passion we share for the game. As the camera gracefully pans across the pristine field, we witness our teams deeply engrossed in strategic discussions. Huddled together, they analyze game plans, deliberate on batting orders, and fine-tune their tactics. Each player contributes insights, fostering a collaborative spirit aimed at securing victory. This moment encapsulates the essence of teamwork and the shared passion that drives them towards excellence. As anticipation builds, a distinguished member of our board of directors approaches the ceremonial bowl. With a poised hand, they draw the chits that will determine the sequence of today's matches. Teams await in eager suspense, knowing this moment sets the stage for the thrilling games ahead. As the camera focuses on the pitch, we observe our community engaging in traditional rituals to inaugurate the matches. The ground is adorned with flowers, the air filled with the fragrance of incense sticks, and the ceremonial breaking of a coconut symbolizes the auspicious beginning. These customs reflect our deep-rooted cultural heritage and collective hope for a successful and harmonious event. Following the ceremonial rituals, a distinguished member of our board of directors steps onto the pitch, bat in hand, to share a lighthearted moment with the team members. With a gleam in their eye and a firm grip on the bat, they face the bowler. The team watches in anticipation, blending respect with playful camaraderie. This spontaneous interaction not only showcases the unity between leadership and staff, but also sets a tone of mutual respect and enjoyment for the matches ahead. As the teams line up on the field, we now pause to honor our nation. Please rise for the national anthem. Standing here, having just sung our national anthem, I am overwhelmed with a profound sense of pride and unity. Each note resonates deeply, reminding us of our shared heritage and the collective journey that has shaped our nation. In this moment, we are not just individuals, but a unified community, bound together by the ideals and aspirations that our anthem embodies. Let this feeling of togetherness inspire us as we move forward, honoring the legacy of our past and embracing the promise of our future. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the toss. Captains, please join us at the pitch to decide who will bat or field first. Best of luck to both teams. The camera zooms in on the pitch, highlighting the freshly marked creases and pristine stumps, all set for the game. As the players warm up, it's time for some practice swings. Let's hope they remember the goal is to hit the ball, not create a new crater on the pitch. And if anyone's aiming for a six, please ensure it doesn't land in the CEO's coffee cup. As the two opening batsmen stride onto the field, the crowd's anticipation reaches its peak. Their confident demeanor and focused expressions set the tone for the innings ahead, embodying the spirit of competition and teamwork. The game is about to commence, with all eyes on these players as they prepare to face the first delivery. As the final match commences, the atmosphere is electric. Both teams are poised, ready to give their all. May the best team win, and may the spirit of cricket shine throughout. The presence of an audience is vital to the essence of a match. Their energy and enthusiasm elevate the players' performance and create an unforgettable atmosphere. Without spectators, the game loses its vibrancy and communal spirit. The cheers, applause, and collective excitement of the crowd are integral to the experience, underscoring the profound connection between players and fans. Ladies and gentlemen, as we conclude our cricket matches, it's remarkable how swiftly these 2 days have passed. In this time, we've witnessed not just games, but the coming together of our community in the true spirit of sportsmanship. Today, the outcome of the matches, who won or lost, is secondary. What truly matters is the collective effort, the time, and the enthusiasm each one of you has contributed. Your participation has been the cornerstone of this event's success. Now let's take a moment to express our heartfelt gratitude to everyone involved. Congratulations to our final match winners. Your dedication, teamwork, and relentless pursuit of excellence have led you to this well-deserved victory. Your performance has been nothing short of inspiring. To the runners-up, your journey has been commendable. You displayed remarkable skill and tenacity throughout the competition. Though the final outcome wasn't in your favor, your efforts have not gone unnoticed, and you have much to be proud of. Our heartfelt appreciation goes to the umpires. Your impartiality and keen judgment ensured that the matches were conducted fairly and smoothly. Your role is pivotal, and we thank you for your unwavering commitment. A special thank you to our commentators who brought the games to life with their vivid descriptions and enthusiasm. Your commentary kept the audience engaged and added an extra layer of excitement to the matches. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our board members, managing director, managers, human resources team, and the entire organizing committee for their unwavering dedication and meticulous planning, which have made this event truly memorable. Your collective efforts have not only ensured its success, but have also left an indelible mark on all participants and attendees. Thank you for your exceptional commitment and hard work.